there are some agencies, they've refused to do things properly, running from pillar to post. One of them is NNPC. You call them, they say they are no longer they are private company and all of that, because they know what they do. They know what they are doing. The place stinks, smells. That's why they for everything, they do everything. They never answer to anything. If they start running from pillar to post, looking for lawyers, writing one thing or the other. How can you say you are private? Who are the shareholders? Nigerian government. Okay, you're private. How did you get to the office? Who appointed you? The president of the country. The president of the country that appointed you answers to the Senate. You will not answer because you have something to hide. They should see you. You have nothing to hide, so you're here. NNPC has a lot to answer to Nigerians. They are the problem of this country. They are the problem of this country. You cannot refuse to account to people who put you there. You manage people's property. You manage our resources. You refuse to account. You call them, they look, because they have something to ask, they always look for loopholes in order not to come.
Which is not there.
Every committee has invited them. They will look for something to make them not to come. You have nothing to hide. And so you came. You didn't come alone. Look at all of you. You are here, very properly dressed. Very properly dressed. In my state when we were growing up, we call it arrogance. You know? You're here, and Nigerians can see. Please, those of you who are close to NNPC, tell them to come and answer to Nigerians. Investigate them. Tell them Nigerians want to see what they have been doing. We want to see their books. We want to see those who are employed. Because you have employed only your family, NNPC, you don't want to come to show Nigerians. Tell them to give account. They will not show you their books. Public property. Some of them do not know even the color of crude oil. I come from the Niger Delta. You know the color of crude oil. But you manage it. You don't even know the color of the product you manage. And you will not give account because you know what you're doing. They should look at you. Nigeria still have people. Nigeria should have one day, especially before the completion of the second term of this administration, some of you may find your way into NNPC and turn it around. So I want to thank you. I want to thank you. I'm very happy today. I'm very, very happy today that gentlemen from the top can present Nigeria in the proper light. Thank you. God will continue to bless you. And you will succeed in everything you do. You continue to be an example to the rest of the men. So I don't have any other thing to say. I'm just sharing your yes.
Next time we'll ask them why they don't have a woman.
Bring a woman next time.
Fortunately, she's from Ebonyi State.
All of you, honestly, when I saw this, I asked him if he had reached you. He said yes, you're coming. I said okay. Otherwise, we wouldn't have. Please don't divide the place. Chairman, Vice, you were not here. We went on very well. Now you've come. CICBC, they have acted. Now we are the ones. So, but nonetheless, you're here, and it is good that you're here, and it is very beautiful that you are before the camera. So Nigerians will see that this country can be good. They can see. The same letter we wrote to you, the same letter, the same things we asked of you. You are here in your numbers. Others will travel. They are traveling tomorrow, they are traveling yesterday, we are traveling next month, just to dodge. They should look at you. They should, camera, so that Nigerians will see that that's a senior advocate, and I'm sure there are other senior advocates here. And what was that other professional qualification? FIRS. You know, it means that we can get it right if we want. Look at what you produced. After you, the other group that showed excellence here was INEC. INEC came here, they performed, you could see that they respect the law. I don't know what else to tell you, because my colleagues said everything. I want to say that on behalf of the Senate President and all the leaders of the National Assembly, we appreciate you. And we will direct, from now on, if we have any problem with any group, we will send them to you. We talk to them and say they should come to ICPC. So when you see them, we send them. They should go and meet you and find out how you were able to achieve this. Even the one my leader here pointed out, it's actually no fault, because they have 5 states. If you add an extra state and add 30, it will be 190 something. And it comes within that, you know, percentage. But he's our leader. Please, when you want to employ again, give them more. Give them more. Yes. But you have done fantastically well. And Nigerians should see that even something good can come out of Nigeria.
Well done.
And so, every Nigerian should, how do they say it in Christendom? Use you as point of contact. If they want to reach anything good, we thank you. We thank you. We thank you. And they should see that if we see something good, we'll point it out that this is good. And that, yes.